Hello, little learners! It's the teaching ant. Let's learn and have fun. Today, we are going to learn some sight words. Sight words are words that we see often when we read. Let's read and practice these sight words together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here are our first 5 everyday sight words. Our first sight word is banana. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. This is a banana. Our next sight word is apple. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. This apple is red. Our next sight word is bread. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. I want some bread. Our next sight word is milk. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. I drink milk. Our next sight word is egg. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. This is an egg. Let's read our next batch of sight words. Do your best! Our first sight word is rice. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. I eat rice every day. Our next sight word is cake. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. This cake is big. Our next sight word is cookie. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. This is my last cookie. Our next sight word is juice. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. I want some juice. Our next sight word is food. 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 Let's use it in a sentence. This is a lot of food. Great job, little reader! Keep going! Please like, subscribe, and share. It's quiz time! Read the sight word before I say the answer. Are you ready? Let's begin! Bread. Bread. You can do this! Keep reading! banana, banana. Here's our next sight word. Milk, milk. You're doing great! Here's our next sight word. Apple, apple. Keep going. Here's the next one. Egg, egg. Let's continue. Cookie, cookie. You can do this. Keep reading. Rice, rice. Here's our next sight word. Juice, juice. You're doing great! Here's our next sight word. Food, food. Keep going. Here's the next one. Cake, cake. Great job! You deserve this Reading Champion trophy. See you in our next reading quiz. Let's read all the sight words one more time. Apple, banana, bread, milk, egg, rice, cake, cookie, juice, food. Fantastic reading! Now read these words on your own. You did an amazing job learning sight words today. Keep practicing every day to become a stronger reader. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more reading fun. See you next time. Bye!